Okay, hello, I'm André Weinberg and we are here at the Frankfurt MESSE, the Pro Light and Sound 2018, and this is the booth from the company Optogate, coming from northern Germany, doing some interesting little products to make technicians' life a little easier. What I want to show you first is the automatic MicLift. So we have a device that can automatically adjust the height of the microphone for the speaker. So you can realize individual heights for larger speaker or smaller speakers, and this all can be controlled via this little remote box. You have a button for pulling the microphone up and also down, and you can save up to 8 presets in this remote box for returning speakers or returning actors. What we're using to control the device with a remote box is just a simple microphone cable, simple XLR cable. That's what every technician has in every production in great stocks, and above that you can control the MicLift via the DMX signal. So if you got one channel left on your lighting desk, you can control the MicLift with a fader on your lighting desk. Very easy, very useful, very simple.
So what's the height range of this?
The highest range, let me show, it's 1 meter and 38 centimeters. So that's for the microphone. As you see, much larger than me. So this is the height for King Kong.
And does it go down to my height, which is tiny?
And now we go down to the minimum height. This is 1 meter and 3 centimeters.
And I must say, it's really quiet.
Yes, it's quiet. We're doing everything to make it possible to use on conferences where very low background noise level is needed.
That's brilliant.
You can use it via batteries or also with this little plug with an external power device.
So what power does it take?
It takes AA batteries, 8 AA batteries.
Oh, that's useful. And I see another smaller one over here. Is that the same kind of thing?
Yeah, nearly the same kind of thing. This is our brand new media desk. Excuse me, this is just a prototype. We finished it last week, but we have especially here this one, and this can be controlled via Bluetooth. So we programmed a smartphone app, and you can control the height of the microphone just by touching these little buttons on your smartphone. So you don't need any cables to control the MicLift that's built in this media desk. And above that we have some LED stripes around, so you can realize some backlights, as you can see.
And you can change all those on the app as well?
Yes, you can change the color with the app. There are 2 screens built in. The first screen is for presenting company logos or advertisement maybe. And on the top of the desk there's another screen, and this is a touch screen. So the speaker can do his, for example, excuse the brand name, PowerPoint presentation on it, and then switch just with a fingertip from one page to another.
That's useful. And I noticed you've got a range of useful little bits and pieces. Talk me through those?
We got a range of some helpers. Let me first explain the Optogate. This is an optical microphone switch. It works with an infrared LED, and this LED detects if someone stands in front of the microphone and then turns the microphone on, or if this person goes away from the microphone, then the microphone turns off again. It has to be just plugged between the microphone and the microphone cable. The power comes from the phantom power, so phantom power is required to use the Optogates, but the phantom power will be given to the microphone, so you can also use condenser microphones for it. We have this in some different individual stuffs. The first one is a mute version who makes a cut of the signal. The second one is a ducking version who reduces the level about 16 decibels. And then we have another device like this. Here's a little clamp, and so you can clip it on the microphone stand and place it in front of the singer or the speaker. So if you, for example, using this Elvis type microphone, then you better use this one.
Useful.
It's quite easy. So let's come to this one. This is a mic-to-mon foot switch. You have one input for the microphone and two outputs, maybe for the FOH mixing desk or for the monitor desk. Or you're using on the one channel an effect processor and the other channel the dry processing signal. And then you can use this one as a button and also as a switch, which you can just tell this device in here on the side, and then you can press the button. The LED shows you on which output you are. The smaller version is the mic mute, just microphone in, microphone out, and with this button you can mute the microphone. Also switchable in here in this little dip switching device on the side as a switch or as a button. And then we have some other
little
devices.
test things.
This testing thing is very brilliant, very small, very cheap, very easy to use. We have just this XLR socket, and here's a built-in LED. It needs phantom power, so if you activate phantom power and plug this one to a simple microphone cable, then you will hear the sound. This device makes a testing signal. You can choose between sine wave, square wave, and also pink noise. If you hear the sound, your cable is okay, and then this LED will light up permanently. If something's wrong with your cable, you will hear no sound. And if this LED lights up for 2 times, then pin 2 is broken. And if this LED lights up for 3 times, then pin 3 is broken. So it's very easy to check your cables.
That's clever.
All the ways of your cables. This one, the Mini Audio Lab, one of our newest products, has a built-in touch display. And there you can change between some different testing signals like sine wave or pink noise. We have a burst signal generator and also a feedback detection. There's an inbuilt microphone, and you can analyze the sound, and the frequencies that are too high will be shown on the display, and in the lower row there, this display will show you which frequency you have to pull down on your equalizer.
So you thought of pretty much everything.
Okay.
Oh, another cable tester there?
Yeah, another cable tester. We have this basic housing with a display inside, and then you can change between 3 different faceplates. This one is for NL8 speaker devices, this one is for XLR microphone cable, and we also have one for the 16-pole Harting device, where you can check your cables very easily.
That's brilliant. Thanks very much indeed.
Okay, you're welcome.